Hi there, I'm Ariff from Golden Brokers, and today we're diving into one of the name brand in the world of payment processes, Visa Incorporated. Let's start with their latest earnings. Visa had a pretty solid quarter in 2024, with net revenues hitting 8.8 billion. That's a 10% jump from last year. Their GAAP net income up 10%, reaching 4.7 billion. Lastly, adjusted earnings per share grew by 12% to $2.29 per share. Lower than the previous quarter, but overall better than last year. Visa CEO Ryan McInerney was positive about these results. He highlighted 8% growth in overall payment volume and a 16% increase in cross-border volume. Looks like consumer spending is holding steady, which is good news for the company. Now let's rewind a bit to 2023. Visa stock gained almost 20% that year. It didn't quite keep up with the S&P 500's benchmark 26% gain, but it still put Visa at the top of the credit service industry. It's not all smooth sailing, but Visa is facing some hurdles right now. A federal judge recently rejected a multi-billion-dollar antitrust settlement involving Visa and MasterCard. This deal was supposed to lower credit card fees and save merchants nearly 30 billion per year. The Retail Industry Leaders Association and the Merchant Payments Coalition praised the decision, stating that the settlement failed to address competitive imbalance and price fixing issues. And let's not forget about competition. Visa's up against traditional rivals, new fintech players, and even government systems like FedNow. They have to adapt quickly to keep their edge in this changing landscape that offers newer and cheaper options. On the growth front, Visa's making some interesting moves. They just wrapped up their acquisition of Pismo, a cloud-native platform for banking and card processing. This could open up some new opportunities for them. They've also launched a cool new service for travelers, digital emergency card replacement. Losing your card on vacation will no longer be a hassle that it was. Visa can now send you a digital replacement via text or email. Minuscule development, but certainly welcome. Looking ahead, analysts seem more optimistic about Visa's future. The average pricing target is $308, which is about 15% higher than the current market price. Some are even bullish, with the highest target at $335 per share. So there you have it, Visa's latest chapter. They're facing some challenges, sure, but they're also making some smart moves to stay ahead of the game. It'll be interesting to see how this payments powerhouse navigate the evolving financial landscape. Stay tuned.